We are still looking at chapter 2. Read the question now and do. We are now still looking at chapter 2 under applications of simultaneous equation. So this is what we got. Okay, Orlando. Now, for this question, you realize that there's no x, no y, right? Because just now level 1 they give you x, y, but level 2 never. So what do we do? I need to make my own x and y, understand? So find their present age. Can you underline? Can you underline? Find their present age. Usually we will let the question help us to identify the x and y. So based on this yellow sentence, I will write down, let x be equal to Zoe's age. Hey, why I pause is because this question can solve in the non-simultaneous way. Okay? But don't get used, guys, and check. Now let me try the simultaneous way. Let y be Roger's present age. Still talking about non-related stuff. Okay, so I had the word present age because in this question they asked about 3 years ago, 3 years later. So let's try. Roger is 6 years older than Joey. So the minus will become what? If they take the 2h minus will become what? 6. Or I can take the number, the smaller number plus 6 equals to the bigger number. Which one do you like? The minus one. So can you write down? This one actually tell us that the difference equals 6. Can you write down? Difference is always big number minus a small number is equal 6. Why I write this is because if you use x minus y and y minus x, actually they mean different things. Okay? So let's decide by the phone to call one person to help us understand who is the bigger number. Can you all think now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, next. Chloe, who is older? Roger. Roger is older. So I must take Roger minus Zoe equals 6. So I must take y minus x equals 6. This is equation 1. Does it make sense to you? Because Roger is older, right? So Roger is bigger. Bigger minus smaller number will equal 6. Is that okay? Link to what? How do I start with this? Because it says Roger is 6 years older than Zoe. That means if I take Roger age minus Zoe age, I will give you 6. Does it make sense? X plus 6 can. Can I use y equals to x plus 6? Can. Up to you. Because both sides plus 6, I will get y equals to 6 plus x. Can. Okay? Is that okay? Now, second equation, I will need this. So can we develop the second equation now? Let's start with 3 years ago. Long before you were born. No lah. 3 years ago still okay, So 3 years ago you are PSLE year, Yuan is still talking. 3 years ago, Zoe equals to what? Hey, oh. Can we try now? 3 years ago, Zoe is equal to, I call someone, write down your answer. Zoe is equal to Agida. Zoe is equal to what? What is Zoe's age? Zoe is X currently. Now, 3 years ago is minus 3. Very good. X minus 3. Similarly, Roger equals to Y minus 3. So far can follow? Can I'm talking about 3 years ago. So the equation 1, the story stopped here already. Equation 1, the story stopped already. I'm going to the second story. The second story is the green sentence. 3 years ago, Zoe age was 2/3 Roger's age. Okay? So 3 years ago, Zoe age is X minus 3. 3 years ago, Roger age is Y minus 3. Is this okay? Can Now we translate. We translate the sentence to equation. Now let's do it. Can you write down? Let's do it together. Was means equal. Can you circle? Was means equal. Next one. 2/3 means what? This one means 2/3. Then can I write the sentence out first? I follow left to right. This is what I write. Zoe equal 2/3 Roger. Is that okay? Zoe equal 2/3. Sorry, one more. Of means what? Multiply. Of means multiply. So 2/3 times Roger. Now we put in the alphabet inside. What was Joey 3 years ago? X minus 3. So I write X minus 3 is equal to 2/3 times Y minus 3. Zoe is X minus 3 3 years ago. Roger is Y minus 3 3 years ago. Is this okay? Okay? Can. Next, I want to simplify the equation. Now, what happened to Y minus 3? Does it follow the numerator or denominator? Numerator. Do you follow? So, can you write this down? X minus 3/1 okay, I zoom in for you to copy. Who don't understand this? Orlando. Okay. Let's Fiza. Okay, let's try again. Now, why is it like that? The left side, is it okay? X minus 3 means X minus 3/1. Is it okay? Hafiza? Left side okay? Okay, right side. Now, 2 times this actually means, can you write in side working? Orlando, this one actually means y/3, y minus 3/1. That means like that. If I have 2 fractions multiply, it means top times top, bottom times bottom. That's why I have this. Okay? So what I scared? I scared some students will take y minus 3 put down. Wrong. I scared some students will put y minus 3 up and down. Also wrong. This y minus 3 only attached to the top. Numerator or top. Is that okay? Okay. Now from here what do I do? Before I solve simultaneous, I want to remove the denominator. So what must I do? Cross multiply or both sides times 3. Right? So this is what I write. Who confused? Who confused? Oh, okay, yay. Next what do? I want to expand the equation. So 3, open out the bracket, 2, and then open out the bracket. You write now. I ask you later. 5 seconds. You write now. What does the next sentence look like? I ask you now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. Evelyn. So how do I write down the next equation? 3x minus 9. Good. 2y minus. Very good. Now I zoom out. I don't want to call this equation yet. Can we arrange nicely? Alphabet to alphabet. 3x, 2y cannot combine. But the minus 9 and the 6 can combine, right? Shall we do something to it? Both sides. Plus 9. Correct. Plus 6 also correct. Can you try the plus 9? Plus 9, huh? 3x equals to 2y. Minus 6 plus 9, help me. Is that okay? Then, I call this equation 2. Who lost already? Ken. Can you get rid of 3 in front of x? Ken. You will divide by 3 both sides. But don't need. Let me highlight the 2 equations and ask you. Which method will you use? Elimination or substitution? Elimination also can, but I prefer substitution. From now on, everything I will solve by substitution. But if you're working, you show elimination, I will mark. Okay? Let me encourage you to use substitution. Now, substitution, 1y, negative 1x, 3x, 2y. Which one do I use? Which one do I use? This one, right? X. Alright? Or I will choose y, right? So do you agree I will use this to form the subject? Now, I have to do something to equation 1 first. Can I do something to equation 1? You want to use elimination sign, it's okay, Let me try, Can you write down? FR stands for from. From equation 1, I copy again because it's easy for you to see. From equation 1, y minus x is equal to 6. Which one is easier to make it subject? Y. Because you have got minus x, don't like. This one is positive 1, easy. So both sides must do something. Both sides must plus x. Whether is it 6 plus x, x plus 6, I don't care. It's the same. Both sides plus x. Now I have the subject. Yay! I will put this box into equation 2. Replace the y with 6 plus x. Can follow? I use red color pen to box up the 6 plus x. Hafiza, where will I put in the equation? Is it 3x or is it 2y? I box for you, Do you agree that I can actually put the 6 plus x into the equation 2? Okay, Orlando got a valid question. Can I divide by 3 and then put the entire thing into x? Also can. But personally, I don't like fraction. 2y plus 3 over 3 and then I put 2y plus 3 over 3 into the x. Also can. But I don't like fraction. Therefore, I will choose this inside here. It's nicer to see. Right. Now, I continue the step. What I'll do is I will do this. Sub 3 into Afiza, you want to help me? 3x is equal to 6, no good. 3x come from here. Do you follow? Before I write 6, I have a 2 in front. So what must I write? 2 bracket 6 plus x. I put this inside, can follow? Then plus what? Plus 3. So do you see this? 2 bracket 6 plus x plus 3. Do you see this? Okay? Okay? Okay. Now what I want to do, expand the bracket, simplify the x. I want to find 1x equal what? Let's try, So expand the bracket now. Y is 21, right? X is 21. Oh, okay. I try the x first. Just do with me. I have 3x equals 12 plus 2x plus 3. Which one can plus? 12 plus 3. What do I get? 15. What do I do both sides now? Minus 2x. So minus 2x, I'll have x is 15. Yay! 75% won already. Last 25%. Start back to wait. Is this correct? Is this okay? Yeah. Is this okay? Yeah, I want the ya to keep quiet first. Those not ya one can tell me what's wrong. Okay. Okay, oh okay, okay. Is that okay? Yeah. Because the 12 plus the 3 is 15 ma. I want to find x, so both sides must minus 2x. Then I get this. After I have this, I need to sub back. Either to equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, up to you. Okay? So can I sub? In equation 1, y minus 15 equals 6. Y equals 21. Is this okay? You can do another different method, get the same answer, no need to change. You are perfectly okay. But you are not sure what you can do later. I will walk around, raise our hand, we will do. But you need to write down the final statement, and the statement is 1 mark. Can you write down? Can you write this down and write? This one is 1 mark. Many of you, stop talking. Please don't stay so close to Orlando. Don't tell me because Sharon's table is here. Can you move back? He cannot. He will talk to you. Now, this statement in exam is 1 mark. Many students like to do what? They will write X and Y, then they hashtag, they go to the next question. X and Y is not answering the question because the question asks what is their present age. So you have to write. Don't write X equals to, no point, you write this 2, no mark 1. If a question is 4 marks, you will get 3 marks. The last statement is 1 mark. Okay? How do I know how to write the last statement? Read the question. Find the Ashraf, find their present age. Everyone homework today, go back, cover the question, redo the question again. Do the question in the way you like. Not necessary substitution, not necessary Y is the subject. Okay?